ARRIS presents the Touchstone Telephony Modem. For the USB port to work properly, you will need to install USB drivers. When you plug the telephony modem into a computer's USB port, the computer will detect the hardware and try to install the drivers. It can't do this until you insert the Touchstone CD that contains the USB drivers. Before you attempt to install the drivers, make sure your PC has the following: CD-ROM drive, at least one free USB port, and is running Windows 98 SE, 2000, ME, or XP. For installations not using DHCP, you will also need to know the IP address, subnet, gateway, and DNS information for your computer. Before you begin, make sure the telephony modem is on. Look at the power LED and make sure it is lit. Insert the Touchstone USB drivers CD. Since you already plugged the cable into the modem and the computer, the installation wizard will begin. Click the Next button. If you are using Windows XP, the wizard will automatically proceed through the rest of the steps. The wizard prompts you for the location of the drivers. The dialog box indicates that the wizard is looking for the ARRIS RNDIS, or Remote Network Interface Specification driver for the telephony modem. Select the first option to search for a suitable driver, and then click Next. A list of search options appears. Make sure the CD-ROM option is selected, then click Next. The wizard searches the specified location, then displays the name of the appropriate driver. Click Next. The wizard installs the driver and then displays a window indicating that installation is complete. Click Finish. You have now installed the USB drivers.
Scene 14.
Once the telephony modem is installed and powered up, the unit will range and register on the network. You can follow this process by watching the LED indicators on the front of the telephony modem. When the unit is first powered on, all LEDs will blink, indicating an internal power-up sequence. When that sequence is complete, it will then find the downstream carrier, the upstream carrier, the customer's computer behind the telephony modem, and register itself on the data network. If telephone service has also been provisioned, the unit will register itself with the call server next. The telephony modem is equipped with the following LED indicators. Power indicates whether AC power is available to the unit. DS indicates downstream connectivity from the head end to the telephony modem. US indicates upstream connectivity from the telephony modem to the head end. Online indicates connectivity to the Internet. Link indicates Ethernet connectivity and activity between the telephony modem and the subscriber's computer. Telephone 1 indicates the status of a first line of telephony service. Telephone 2 indicates the status of a second line of telephony service. Battery 1 indicates the status of the primary battery. This LED is only present on models that support battery backup. Battery 2 indicates the status of a secondary battery. This is also available only in models that support battery backup. Refer to the operator's manual and note the following patterns: cable modem startup sequence, MTA startup sequence, and normal operation. The telephony modem features a standby button. This button disables the data ports going from the telephony modem to the data network. When in standby mode, the DS and US LEDs will blink, indicating that the unit is in standby mode. Pressing the standby button again reconnects the unit to the network. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation process for the Touchstone telephony modem. Remember that if you ever need help, ARRIS Tech Support is just a click away at www.arrisi.com.